I'm George. I'm Chef George. I'm George Workey, Executive Chef in Asiana Hotel. I've started career in a very young age. I did my hotel management school in 1983, joined with Taj Hotel initially as a trainee. Then I moved on to Oberoi in India. Then I left from India to abroad in different countries to know more about culinary, different kind of cuisines. Almost 16 years I was in abroad, and last 3 years back in Chennai with Asiana Hotel. And it is a passion for me, cooking, different type of carvings, presentation basically. Today my commandment is hassle-free cooking needs the proper ingredients in the proper place. For Caesar salad with Creole prawn, we need mayonnaise, prawns, Creole seasoning, capers chopped, garlic chopped, anchovies chopped, milk, grated Parmesan cheese, diced Roman lettuce, iceberg lettuce, garlic bread croutons, lemon juice, olive oil, salt. Today the first dish is the Caesar salad. Caesar salad is made out of Roman lettuce, which is actually started in Italy and brought it to US. So the lettuce is Roman lettuce and a bit of iceberg I am adding into that. And the dressing is, the specialty of the salad is the dressing. The dressing is made out of a mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, which is an Italian cheese, then chopped capers, bit of garlic croutons, and anchovies. The flavor is anchovy flavor. Anchovy is a small dried fish, you get it in the market in a tin. So let's start with the dressing first. Mayonnaise, add a bit of lemon juice, add chopped capers, grated Parmesan cheese. Grated Parmesan cheese is an Italian cheese which you can grate with the grater. Chopped anchovies. Anchovy, you can get it in the tin, you can buy it in any supermarket. Add a bit of anchovy to add the flavor to the dressing. And a bit of milk to bring the consistency. A very little salt, because the mayonnaise is already have a bit of salt. Then a crushed pepper. Once the dressing is ready, then the next thing is add Roman lettuce into that. You can add some of the iceberg lettuce. It gives you the color, a different color. One is a bit of greenish and one is a bit of white in color. So I'm adding a bit of iceberg lettuce. Then nicely toss it with a wooden spoon. Mix it very gently. Make sure that the crunchy of the lettuce will not miss that. If you mix it very hard, the lettuce will be mashy, like it doesn't look fresh and crunchy. The next thing is prawn, Creole prawn. First thing, you have to marinate the prawn. Add salt, pepper, a bit of olive oil, and some lemon juice. Then a little, very little cajun spice. Cajun is already have a bit of salt, so make sure you will not use excess salt while you are marinating the prawn. Then now let's grill the prawn with a little bit of oil. If you put any seafood item in a cold pan, the juice of the seafood will ooze out from the meat, from the seafood. So make sure you always keep pan hot, then you put the seafood. We need to dust this in flour. Sure, you use very little of oil. Your salad is one thing which is very healthy, should not have a lot of oil. and maximum try to use olive oil. Prawn is already nicely cooked now. It's ready for serving it. Presentation is very important in the food, where you see with your eyes first, then you eat it. Appealing is good, that means your stomach is full, half full. So let's put the salad in the bowl. This is one thing, the salad should not leave mixed for too long. Okay, now this is the salad is there. We need to do the presentation. This is a bit of Parmesan flakes. This is just for presentation. If you like to have a good presentation, you can add. If you don't like to have, you can have the salad as it is. A bit of Lalo Rosso, you put it in the cup. If you like to have some garlic bread, that goes well with this. The final presentation is a bit of grated Parmesan flakes, shaved, freshly shaved on top of the salad. Now the salad is ready.